In today's video, I'm going to teach you Canva tutorial, how to create a PDF guide for a lead magnet. By the end, you'll have a polished professional guide you can share to grow your audience and collect leads. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. You can choose Document for a quick start or select Custom Size if you want specific dimensions like US letter or A4. Decide on portrait or landscape based on your content style. A clean, spacious layout makes reading easier, so give your content comfortable margins and plan for a bold, simple cover to grab attention. Next, add pages using the Add Page button. Think of your guide as a short journey, a cover, a brief introduction, a few sections of value-packed content, and a clear call to action at the end. Add as many pages as you need now. You can reorder or duplicate them later to keep a consistent structure. Click text to add headings, subheadings, and body content. Use a clear hierarchy, a standout headline, supportive subheadings, and easy-to-read body text. Keep paragraphs concise, increase line spacing for readability, and consider adding page numbers at the bottom. Consistency is key. Stick to one or two fonts and repeat your styles throughout. Click elements to bring your guide to life with icons, shapes, or illustrations. Use shapes for callouts, dividers, and section breaks. Icons help highlight key points and make content scannable. Keep everything aligned for a tidy look, and reuse the same icon style and color palette to maintain a cohesive brand feel. Click Photos to add images from Canva's library or upload your own. Choose high-resolution visuals that directly support the content. You can crop, adjust brightness and contrast, and apply filters to match your brand's tone. If you're featuring products or mock-ups, frames and grids can keep layouts clean and consistent. Use the top toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, and alignment. Pick accessible color contrasts for body text, and use your brand colors for headings, icons, and shapes. Align elements with the position tools and use the tidy feature to evenly space items. If your guide includes links, highlight the text and add the hyperlink so it stays clickable in the final PDF. When you're ready, click Download and choose either PDF Standard for digital sharing or PDF Print for high-quality prints. PDF Standard keeps file size smaller and preserves hyperlinks, while PDF Print is ideal for sharper detail. Finally, save your file with a clear name and use it as your lead magnet. Share it on a landing page, deliver it in your email sequence, and start welcoming new subscribers.